Alright, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll be showing you on how you can do change of name. That is, if your name, if you already have a certificate and you want to change the name or edit the name, things like that. So this is how to do it. First is you are going to use a pre-incorporation and post-incorporation. The pre-incorporation is like you want to do a name reservation, name registration. It's like you want to do the registration newly. So you just log into the CAC platform. Okay, so just your normal name reservation. So you click on name reservation. Okay, you come to classification of business is under business name, special type, sole proprietorship, then proposed name. I'm going to put this here. This is the name I want to change the existing name to. Okay, so this option 2 is not compulsory, so I will just click on save and continue. Once I click on save and continue, it's asking me that what is the reason for availability search. So you click on it, you come here to name. You see the first one is change of name, so you pick this change of name. I want to do a change of name, so it's going to ask you for the previous name. Okay, it's going to ask you for the previous name, and the previous name was divine. You have to be very sure of the name you are typing. Okay, if you can use the number to search, it will be good, but this is the name over here. So this is the RR number. So you want to confirm both before you proceed with the change of name. Okay, so once you are sure that the changes, like the name is correct and all that, so you can come down and pick the nature of business, catering services. So I'm just going to click on save and continue. Proposed name, this is the name the client wants. And objective, you see change of name, this is the previous name, and this is the new name we want to use. So the next thing you do is you click on continue, so that you can make payments. So it's still the same amount that you are paying, right? So yes, payment successful. So it's going to come to name. Can you see name reservation submitted? Name reservation submitted. So once it's approved, then the registration now will have to be done on post incorporation, not on pre again. Okay, so I want to, based on our name change of name, right, that we started. So CAC did not approve it, and I want to show you when they denied it. So let me just quickly okay, this is it, Divine Feeders Enterprise. So the reason for the disapproval is that the name is similar or identical to a name already in existence. Can you see? So yes, I have to reach out to the client. And then get another name. So now we have approval. So it's still the same process I followed. I did name, when they disapprove your name, you want to do another name reservation. So this is it over here. Reserved. This is it over here, reserved. This is over here. So this is the name the client gave me. Is it on this first page? Nope. This is the DVAB catering services. DVAB catering services. So it has been approved. So once it's approved like this, you won't see it as start registration, because we did a change of name, not like normal new registration afresh. So we just want to be sure that the name has been approved. Now that it has been approved, I'm going to copy the let me change to desktop view so you can see what I'm saying. Okay. So let me take a step back. So So this is it. So you won't see start registration. Look at this one, Paste Design Infinite, start registration. But for this one, there won't be a start registration. So you just see the approval notes. You see, so I'm going to click on the approval note because we need the approval code, this number over here. So next you're going to do is let me screenshot. So the next you're going to do is just to go to post incorporation. So we are switching to post incorporation. We are done over here. The change of name has been done.